Alright, this video is going to explain to you what the median is. Have you ever heard the word median? If you could think, if you want to pause for a second, just get some time to think here. If you've ever heard the word median. Alright, you're back. Sometimes when we're driving down the highway, there's that green strip of grass that separates the north or the southbound lanes or the east and the west. And that thing's called the median. And it's kind of the middle of the highway. It's splitting up the two lanes. So median just means the middle. Alright, that's all it means. If you want to help remembering that, it's the only stat term that we have that has an I in it. So median has the middle. The median of your body would be like the center line that comes straight down, or maybe you think about your belly button as your median, your middle. So we're going to take a look at the median today, and I have our original set of data here from Range. And what we need to do to find the middle of our data is we need to put everything in order. So we're going to put everything in order. Alright, so I got my 1, I got my 2, and I'm still crossing things off as I go so I don't get confused or forget one. I got 7, I got 8, I got 14, I got 17, and 19. Alright, now that everything is in order, I need to kind of find the middle of all those numbers. And the easiest way to do that, once you have them all in order, is to simply just cross them off in pairs, going from the lowest to the highest. So I take off the lowest, take off the highest. My new lowest is 2, my new highest is 17, so I'm taking those off. And every time I do that, I'm working closer to the middle. And if I get to the center, and I have one number left, I'm done. My median for this set of data is 8. It's the middle number of all those numbers, okay? And that worked out great because we had an odd number of data pieces there. But if you have an even number of data pieces, you have to take one extra step. So we're going to give a little flip here. All right. I'll give you a chance to pause it if you need to flip your paper over too, or if you just want to continue writing. If I have an even number set of data pieces, it's a little bit different, okay? I'm still going to put everything in order. So, oops, I lost a number here. I had an 8 here. All right, I'm going to put my numbers in order. I got a 4, I have 8, I got 9. All right, and I'm crossing them off so don't forget. I got 10, I got 13, and I have 15. All right, so I have 6 data pieces here. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to say I want to find the median, the middle, that's the I. All right, I want to find the middle by crossing off the highest and lowest in pairs. So I'm crossing off the lowest, crossing out the highest. I'm crossing out the lowest, I'm crossing out the highest, and then I get to this problem where I have 2 numbers left in the middle. And basically what I need to do is I need to find what is directly between these 2 numbers. Alright, so what is directly between these 2 numbers? If you want a chance to pause and think for a second, you can. Some of you might just know it right away. What's right between 9 and 10? You can say 9.5 or 9.5. Alright. Now you might just know that, but sometimes you get like down to the center and you have 2 numbers like 13 and like 46, right? Well, how are you going to get to the center of what's between 13 and 46? And the easiest way to do that is to combine those 2 numbers, add them up, and then cut them in half. Divide by 2. Okay, so I could take 13 and 46, I could add those up, I'd have 59, and then I could divide those by 2. Alright, I know half of 60 is 30, so I'm looking at something close to 30. If I get out a calculator and divide 59 by 2, I should get 29.5 or 29.5. Okay, so when you're working through the median, you have 2 options. If you have an odd number of data pieces, you're going to get one of the numbers. If you have an even number of data pieces, you're going to have to work to the center and then find what's directly between those last 2 digits. All right, have a great day.